Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this makeup look which I have on. So if you're interested, keep on watching this video. So to start out, I'm using the Eyeshadow Pro Prep and Primer all over my face, and this primer acts like a silicone. It just goes into all the pores and fills the pores and just makes the face smooth. So for my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Super foundation in the shade Cinnamon. This foundation, the orange tone, is just too much. I just like the fact that it has a full coverage, so we work with it. So I'm just applying the foundation with my foundation brush all over my face. Don't forget your forehead area, the sides of your nose, the sides of your ears. Apply it all over. Then for my concealer, I'm using the Zikel concealer in honey to highlight my under eye area, my cupid's bow, my chin, my forehead area, and the bridge of my nose. And I'm also using very little of this concealer because I noticed with this concealer a little goes a long way. So I'm buffing the concealer in, blending it in with my foundation brush. You need to be very careful. Then for the areas that are really small that my brush is not going into, I'm using that small blending brush to blend the foundation on those areas. You can see like the corners of my eyes right there. I'm using that brush to blend the foundation on those areas to ensure that everything is well blended. Did I call it foundation? Concealer actually. So keep blending until you have a well blended face or skin, or a well blended base. So blend effortlessly. Then to set the highlighted part of my face, I'm using the Early Pride powder palette, that lighter powder in the palette, to set the highlighted part of my face. So guys, if you like me to stop voicing over these videos, let me know in the comment section, because I think I want to start just leaving an audio and you guys just to watch how I do it without me describing the process. So I'm going in with a darker powder from the same Early Pride powder palette, and I'm using the darker powder on the corners of my face. The essence of me doing that is because my skin tone is kind of funny. Some parts of my body are fair, some parts are dark, so I need to just balance things out. So I always contour the corners of my face, and I use the same contour shade to define the sides of my nose, so my nose looks more defined and pointed. Yes. So I'm going in for my brows right now. I have an in-depth brow tutorial on my channel, so you could go look it up. So I'm going to quickly draw in my brows. Then we head over to the star of the show, which is the eyeshadow look. So guys, on my eyes, I'm using ENL Beauty the Divine eyeshadow palette. Yes, I'm going to start using that pink tone shade named Chioma, and I'm using ENL Beauty 2-in-1 eyeshadow brush to blend the eyeshadow on my inner eye area and my outer V area. I'm just blending that pink shade around the outer corners of my eyes and also on the innermost corners of my eyes. And a little of this eyeshadow goes along with it. The eyeshadow is very pigmented, so you don't have to struggle too much. Without a primer, it will pop. On the center of my eyelid, I'm using a shimmery eyeshadow named Kike, and I went back to that same pink eyeshadow named Chioma. I just blended above the entire look slightly. So I'm going in with Shayla for my bottom lash line, and I'm just smudging that shade slightly on my bottom lash line. Just gently. I'm not going for anything too fierce or dramatic. So I'm just going back to that Chioma shade, which is the light pink shade, and just buffed it around my crease area. So to line my eyes, I'm just doing my signature eyeliner look. So after doing my wing line, I extend it towards my inner tear dot area and it's put together. For my waterline, I'm using Mabrook Extremely Soft Eyeliner Pencil, and I'm popping on my lashes. All the deets on all the products which I use for this tutorial will be in the description box. For my lashes, I'm using ENL Beauty Volumizing Mascara. If you want your lashes to look thicker, fuller, this is the mascara for you. Go and get it. You would love it. Like, just look at the volume, just look at the intensity. So I'm using the shade Shayla from the same ENL Beauty Divine eyeshadow palette as my blush. From that palette, you can use your eyeshadows as your blush. like. So for my highlighter, I'm using Colourpop Boomin highlighter to highlight my cheekbone area, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow. Yeah. So after I'm done with my highlighter, I'm using a matte lipstick, and this matte lipstick is from ENL Beauty. It's named Love. I'm just applying it all over my lips gently, just so that I have a smooth, precise application. So after I'm done lining my lips, like applying that matte lipstick all over my lips, I'm gonna reach for my foundation and an angle brush to help define the corners of my lips. The essence of defining the corners of your lip is just to ensure that the entire lip look looks very on point. It's one thing to just apply your lipstick, and then it's another thing to go around it and define it. So guys, that's basically it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Bye.